Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how can you make a Gmail email account in your laptop. If you want me to make videos on Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail, whatsoever, so do comment and I going to make. So first in the laptop, you have to turn on Google Chrome. Like here I am. Once it's the new the new tab is open, so here you can see the profile picture of my email. Okay, now you can see here, this is the profile picture of my email. In the topmost corner of the tab, topmost right corner of the tab, after clicking on it, you can see what accounts you have added in your this system are present here. But we have to click on add another account option because we have to make another account. Okay, so here we get two type of accounts we can make. um, First, that is, this was for an existing account that my account currently exists and I have to just add to this device also. So I don't want to do this. I have to create a new account. So for that, telling you again, this in this window you have to tap on this create account tab. After that, it will ask you for your first name. So like, just a second, I type Vaiganik here, and last name is optional, so just skip it. Now, basic information, birth date and gender. So it's not accurate, it's not original one. 1950. I am not older that much. Okay, here you get two options of pre-generated email that are computerized and generated by AI, and you can also create your own Gmail address, email address, if it's available. So let's try Vaiganik dot official. Is it available? Oh, it's capital. It's in capital. Sorry. Vaiganik dot official. I don't know it's available or not, but still we cannot try. Vaiganik.official@gmail.com. Yes, please don't do mail on this because this is just for a trial purpose, and my official business email is that info.vaiganik@gmail.com. This is just for trial purposes. So please, if you any type of business inquiries you want to do, please do not do on this email. Next, oh, it was available. So now we have to suggest a strong password. So it's some confidential data, so I cannot show you. These are confidential things. After entering the password, it's optional to add your phone number, but I don't want to. You can also add, like, my location is currently India, so the what is called ISD is Indians phone number what you have to make. And just I wanted to skip this, so I had to skip this. Review your account. This is my account. The name of account is Vaiganik and email address is vaiganikofficial@gmail. I am again telling you, this is not my official account. My official account is info.vaiganik@gmail.com. So next, these are privacy and terms. I may suggest you to read this if you are new in the Google. Okay, after clicking I agree, your account is now made. Your account is successfully made, and let me refresh it. You can see here Vaigan, this one account what I had made is now there, and Gmail I can sync here. It's opening. Okay, it's going to be quite interesting for me. Okay, you can see here that it's turned on. This is the that official email that comes from the Google community. Hi Vaigyanik, whatsoever was written is in, and you can see here many type of Google platform that I can see is photos, Google Classroom, YouTube, Maps, and this calendar, Google Meet, Notes, Gmail. This is, I guess, slides or what? I guess it's slides only. So this is all that that official email comes from to you from the Google, and this is all. What's next? This is video is still this only. I have made account of Google, and I'm again telling you that this is not official account of Vaigyanik. This is not official email of Vaigyanik. The official email ID for Vaigyanik is this one. I may show you. Oh no, it's confidential. It's confidential, guys. Some mails that are confidential I cannot show you. So apologization for that. But the email ID for Vaigyanik official is info.vaigyanik at gmail.com .com. This email ID is official email ID of Vaigyanik Private Limited. So that's all for this video. If you like this, and if you want to make the videos on Yahoo Mail, if you want that I should make videos on Yahoo Mail, how to create Yahoo Mail account, how to create a Outlook account and Hotmail whatsoever, so just comment down so I get the your point, and I'll gonna to make it's very it's very easy. I'll gonna to make the video for you. So thanks for the time. Thanks for watching.